Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I know the Nykaa summer sale is up and I'll not be showing you any haul because I'm saving up for the future. I have to buy a few things. So I'm saving up, I'm not buying a lot of stuff this time or any stuff. But I have my recommendations for you so that you can get the best buy and the best products. I'll only be showing you products that I have already tried and they have an offer on them on Nykaa. So without further ado, let's get started. I know it's been a long time since I posted, but I had a lot of issues going on in my family, in my life, in my studies, my career. So YouTube and Instagram was on a break. Those who follow me on my Instagram, they know what actually happened and why I haven't been posting. So sorry for not posting, but yeah, I am back on track and I'm trying to post the videos regularly from now on. So I just hope that I keep it regular now and I hope I get love from you guys. Please, 1000 pacha do. That's like a milestone for me right now, 1000 subscribers. So yeah, this angle is better, I feel. Okay, so I don't have a lot of skincare to show you. That's why it's just one skincare item. So that's why the first item that I'm gonna show you is a skincare item and I'm in love with it and it's on offer. So the first thing that I have is the M Caffeine Body Polishing Combo. So it has a choco body butter and a coffee body scrub. So this combo is on offer. They are individually on offer as well, but I'd suggest you to buy a combo because a combo is much more mosquitoes. A combo is much more affordable because the combo is offering a better deal than an or individual if you buy. Okay, so the combo is originally for 1094 rupees and right now it's on 18% off and you get it for 899 or 900. So I think it's a pretty good deal for these two products because these two products are actually very nice. Now let's jump on to eye makeup. So Revolution Beauty or Makeup Revolution has some good deals. I won't say great deals, but yeah, good deals. So Makeup Revolution is offering a 10% discount on all of their eyeshadow palettes. I have the I Love Revolution Cranberries and Chocolate palette. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen me use this palette. So it's a really good palette and the color payoff is really good. If you're a beginner and you want affordable makeup but still good makeup, I think Makeup Revolution should be your go-to, and if you have the money right now, you can go and buy it. It's on 10% off. So the next eyeshadow palettes are my favorite and these are the Nicka K eyeshadow palettes or NK eyeshadow palettes. So Nicka K is offering a 50% big fat discount on all their eyeshadow palettes, even the big ones, the new ones that they launched. I think one of them is spiced up and one of them is, I don't remember. Okay, so they are giving a 50% discount. So these retail for 600, but you can buy them for 300. I bought these in the winter sale, in the Pink Friday sale. So I got 3 of them. Then also they were on 50% discount. I got 3 of them for 900. So that was a pretty good deal and the color payoff is good. I've created a makeup look with this palette. That's on my Instagram. With this palette, that's on my Instagram. And with this palette, which I'm wearing right now. So if you want a good affordable makeup palette or like a small palette, you can go for these or you can go for the big ones. All are on 50% off. The bigger one, which is originally for 1500, is available for 750. So you can get them there, and the tutorial for this look, how do you like it? Okay, so tutorial for this look will be on my Instagram soon. I think I'll be posting this video first because the sale is about to end. I'm shooting this video today. I'll hopefully upload it by today evening, so you can see it before the sale ends at least. So next up we have eyeliners. So Lakme Gelato collection is my favorite. There's the brightest of colors and they're so beautiful and the color payoff so good. They're a little soft, but that helps them glide on very easily. And there are these need to be sharpened from time to time, which is a con because a lot of product is wasted. But I still love these. I have two of them. One is Lagoon and one is Mandarino. They come in like 6 shades. So these are originally available for 800 rupees. Right now they're on 25% off on all shades. So these, you're gonna get these on 599 or 600 rupees. So I think it's a pretty good deal. You're saving, if you buy two of them, you're saving up like 400 rupees, and you can buy a lipstick in 400 rupees. So yeah, makeup buff speaking makeup language. So that's alright. But these are a good buy. So if you want, go and buy. Next up we have the Nykaa Get Inked eyeliner. So this has this is like a sketch eyeliner, and it has a really good pointy tip. You might have heard me talk about this in my Pink Friday haul video as well, because that time I ordered it and that was my third pack, I think. I have just loved this liner, and this is so convenient. This is so easy to apply. So if you're a beginner, I think you should go for this. This is also on offer. It is on 15% off. It's originally available for 450 rupees, but on sale it's for 383 rupees. So I think it's a good buy. You should go for it. Next up we have the Maybelline Gel Eyeliner. It's the Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner with expert eyeliner brush. Yeah, this comes with the brush, and I just love it. This is super black, super matte. I really don't like gloss eyeliners. So this is super matte, and this is really easy to apply, and it really stays. Not as long as the liquid eyeliners, but I think this is very good for everyday wear, and this is very good for beginners because it has a really beautiful brush that is very easy to work with. So originally it's available for 500 rupees, but on sale it's on 35% off. It's available for 325 rupees, guys. This is a steal. You should go and buy this right now. Last but not the least, we have a mascara. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. So this is also a very good product. It has a very fat spoolie, so it actually helps you curl your lashes and give them a lot of volume and a lot of length. This is on 30% off right now. It's available for 799 originally, but on offer it's 559, which is 560 rupees. So this is also a really good buy. You should go for it. Also, this is a waterproof mascara, and you might have to go in there to remove it. So if you're not a waterproof mascara person and you just don't want to do that, so that's okay. Don't buy this because this is really long staying, and it'll just stay there for a very long time. And if you just can't handle that, don't buy a waterproof mascara. Coming to the face makeup, the LA Girl Pro Concealed Concealer. It is a cult favorite. I really don't have to say a lot about it. The pigmentation is beautiful. The consistency is beautiful. I even really love the tube packaging and the brush thing, so that it's very easy to apply. And it is a little bit on the expensive side, but they're offering a 10% off, which is fine. It's not much. It's not very less. It's a 10% off item. So if you really want to buy a good concealer, go for this one. This one is originally for 695 rupees, and on offer it's 626 rupees. So if you want, you can really go and buy this. So the next is also a cult favorite. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter, and I have 100 shade, which is Molten Gold. And this is a beautiful highlighter. This is such a beautiful highlighter. The color payoff is so good. I just love this highlighter. So this highlighter is originally priced at 550 rupees, and on offer it's a very fat offer. So right now it's available for 358 rupees. It's available on a 35% discount. So I think you should really go and buy this because this is beautiful. I just love it. My go-to highlighter for every occasion. Coming on to lipsticks, and I am a huge lipstick buff. So I have a lot of lipsticks. I love lipsticks, and I'm a person who when falls into love with a range, I try to collect all the shades from that range. Now I'm not that rich right now that I have all the shades, but I have a few, so I'm going to show you those. First up, we have the Nykaa Ultra Matte range. And these are the 3 lipsticks that I have from the Ultra Matte range. These are beautiful. My favorite is this one. This is 04 Venus from the Nykaa Ultra Matte range. And this one is 08 Cleopatra. And this one is 12 Helena. This is like a maroon shade, a very rich maroon shade. This is a popping pink. Now this will suit people with light skin tone and medium skin tone. I'm not very sure about people with a dark skin tone or deep skin tone. So this is for I think people with light skin tone and medium skin tone. You have my guarantee, you'll love this color. And the last one is Helena. This is a very nude shade, and I think it will be best for light skin tone people or medium skin tone people. And right now it's originally priced at 599 rupees, and right now it's on 30% off, and it's available for 419 rupees. So the 400 you saved before on the Nykaa Ke eyeshadow palettes, I think you should invest these here. The next set of lipsticks are also from Nykaa. These are lipsticks from their Matte to Last range, and I have 3 shades. My mom has 1 shade. So I have the shade 16 Boho, 05 Madras Kapi, and 03 Guwahati. This is like a rusty red, and this is a mauve, like a deep berry mauve, if that's a thing. I can't really describe colors, but this is like a mauve and a pink mix something like that. And this is my favorite lipstick of all times. I know I'm gonna order this till they keep on producing this, because I just love this shade. You might have seen me. If you're a person who knows me, you know most of the time I wear this lipstick only. So this is a very good lipstick. Unfortunately, this is not on offer, and this is being sold on full price even right now. So it's a good lipstick. If you want to buy, you can go for it, but there's not an offer on this one. Although there's an offer on this one, Boho, which is originally priced at 599, and it is on 15% off, and it's available for 509 as of now. This is also a beautiful shade, very beautiful. I didn't get the time to check the price of this one right now, so you can go ahead and check it out. But the range as a whole is very beautiful, and they have very beautiful colors. So go for it. Also, the shade that my mom has is Jaan, and that is a purpley mauve color. If you like those colors, you can also go for that, because I've tried that and it's really good. So yeah. So the next one that I have is also my favorite. One of my favorites. Like, I have 2 or 3 favorite colors. One I showed you was the Madras Kapi. This is the second one. I'll show you the third one in a minute. So this is the second one. This is the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Lip Crayons, and this is the mini one that I have. This is in the shade Spiced Latte, and this is like the sister of Madras Kapi, but it's a more warm tone brown, and it's a more demi matte finish. These are matte crayons, but they're not super matte, like liquid matte. They're not those kind of matte. This is so this is a demi matte finish, and it has a beautiful color. I just love this color, and this color will be suitable on all skin tones. This will be a very good nude for the deeper and the medium skin tone people, and it's a brown for the light skin tone people. But this comes in the nude category, but it's a little goes to the brown side, or for people who have lighter skin. So this is a very good purchase, and I even have shades in this collection. Actually, I don't have it, my mom has it. She has I Am Yours and Brunette. Those are like brown and mauve shades, and maroon and brown shades. So I Am Yours is on a maroon side, and Brunette is on a brown side. So those shades are also very good. So the mini version, like this version, it's originally priced at 549 rupees, and on a sale it's available for 384 rupees. It's on 30% off. So the bigger size, the bigger one, which is priced at 849 rupees, is also on off, 25% off. It's available for 637 rupees. So that's also a really good deal. So the last favorite lipstick that I have is the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color, and this is the one that I'm wearing right now. This is also a very beautiful shade. I have it in the shade Mild Mauve, and it's a very beautiful shade. This one. It's a very beautiful shade, and the consistency is very good. It's very lightweight. It transfers a little bit, but I really don't mind unless and until it doesn't feel bad on my lips. It's good to go. So I just love this lip color, and it originally retails for 750 rupees, but right now it's on 40% off, and it's available for 450 rupees. So people who are beginners and who want a lip color but don't want it to go too dry, they can go for this one, because this is a really beautiful range. I just got one from this. I just wanted to try it out, and I just wanted a mauvey lip color, but I couldn't find one that would like catch my eye, and this one caught my eye. I just ordered it and I fell in love with this. I'm gonna order a few more lipsticks from the same range, and if you want to, you can go and buy these right now, because very good. Now coming up to the last section, that is nails. So Nykaa has the best nail paints and best lipsticks. I just showed it to you, and nail paints are coming right up. So the Nykaa nail paints, that are their normal gloss nail paints, that is their Nykaa nail enamel polish. These are very good. Right now I don't have any to show you, because one of them went dry. That was very old and I threw it away, and I can't find two of these because I take them everywhere, and right now I really don't know in which bag it's there. It originally retails for 179 rupees, and right now it's on 20% off. You'll get it for 143 rupees. Some of the shades are also on 25% off, so that will be reduced again. So these are really good nail paints and really beautiful. The colors are really beautiful. The color variety is a lot, so you can buy a lot of colors. There's a very big range, so go for it. Next up, the nail paint that I have is also from Nykaa, but a different range. This is the Nykaa Unicorn Potion Nail Enamel Polish, and I have the shade Frosted Fairy 239, and this is a really beautiful shade. Like, it's a dual tone shade. Like, it changes shades in different lightings, and it gives different effects. So it's a beautiful shade, but unfortunately this shade is not on offer. This is being sold on the original price, which is 199 rupees, which is also not much. So this is being sold at 199 rupees, and the others are available for 159 rupees. They're on 20% off, so you can go ahead and buy these. Now I know I said this is going to be a short video, but I'm just getting a feeling that it's going to be like 7 to 10 minutes long while I edit it, because I just speak a lot, so that's okay. But I just hope you have fun shopping, and I hope my video helped you a little bit to figure out what things you really want to buy and what things are good for you. So I'll see you next time. Follow me on my Instagram to see more of such videos, makeup tutorials, and a few reels. I post a few things here and there, so go check out my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description, or you can follow me on the Chill Tribe. And just keep supporting, keep loving, and subscribe to my channel. Comment in the comment section below, like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Also, the tutorial for this look is on my Instagram, or will be posted on my Instagram after this video soon, so you can go ahead and check it out and see all the products that I've used, and like that video also, and share that video also. So I'll see you next time.